Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to discuss on how to mentally square two-digit numbers ending in 8. So the technique here is more or less the same with the technique in how to mentally square two-digit numbers ending in 7. So for example, if we're going to have 18 squared. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the first digit. So in this case, the first digit is 1. So we're going to have here 10. Then times the next digit of 1 or next number of 1 is 2. So times 2. Then plus. So in squaring two-digit numbers ending in 7, we're going to have the constant as 4. Now if we're going to have 8, the constant here will be 6. 6 times the same number, which is 2. Again, the sum here or the result here will be the first digits of the answer or the square. Then the last digit will be 4 because all of the numbers ending in 8, if we're going to square that number, will be 4. The last digit will be 4. So again, this is the first digit, then the last digit will be 4. So if we're going to have here 10 times 2, that will be 20. Then 6 times 2 will be 12. So 20 plus 12, that will be 32. So first digits will be 32. So we're going to have your answer as 324. So 18 squared is 324. So another example, let's have 28 squared. So 28 squared, we're going to have the first digit 2. So just add 0, so 20 times the next number of 2 is 3. Then plus the constant, which is 6. Then times 3. 20 times 3 is 60. Then 6 times 3 is 18. 60 plus 18 is 78. So your answer here will be 784. Okay, another example. Let's have 58 squared. So 58 squared, the first digit is 5. So we're going to have here 50 times the next number will be 6 plus the constant 6 times the same number 6. 50 times 6 is 300. 6 times 6 is 36, so plus 36. So you're going to have your answer as 336. So these are the first digits. So your answer will be 3,364. So 58 squared is the answer here is next example. Let's have 88 squared. So first digit is 8. We're going to have your 80 times the next number of 8 is 9 plus constant 6 times 9. So 80 times 9 is 720. Then 6 times 9 is 54. So 720 plus 54, that will be 774. So your answer here will be 7,744. Okay, let's have our last example. Let's have 78 squared. So first digit is 7, so we're going to have 70 times the next number of 7 is 8 plus constant 6, then times 8. 70 times 8 is 560. Then 6 times 8 is 48. Then add a 2. 560 plus 48, that will be 608. So you're going to have your answer as 6,084. So again, in this trick, you can mentally square two-digit numbers ending in 8. So just follow the procedures here, then you can solve that one mentally. I hope this video helped you. If you have questions about the topic, please comment down below, and see you next time.